Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fantastic there. So today I am going to start my new journey on YouTube itself. So I have basically started this channel in order to help you in improving your English communicational skills. So let's get started with that. I'm a professional online English tutor. I used to teach a student. So the most common problem what my students are telling me is that they first make the sentences in their native language and then they translate those sentences in English, and finally moving onwards then they are speaking that sentence in English. All those things are happening in the brain itself. So there is a problem in this technique, and the problem is lying behind what we call as the translation method. Now why I'm telling you there is a problem? Because of three specific issues. The first issue is that translation takes time, and that is the reason why people don't get the fluency while they are speaking English. Now the second problem here is that the pauses and the filler words are being increased drastically in this method. And the last problem is the grammatical mistakes and the errors are much more predominant in this method. So just let me know like how you have learned your native language. Tell me about it, how you have learned it. Probably when you were a child, you had listened to your parents, what they're speaking, the words and the sentences, your parents, your family members, your mother, your siblings and all, friends and all. So you firstly listen them and observe them like what they are speaking. So first and foremost thing is listening in this phase. Now the second phase after moving onwards from the listening part is called as speaking. You started using those words in your daily life, and that is what is called as speaking. Later onwards, you have just gone to the school and all, and you started reading books. So third and most crucial phase is reading. And the last but not the least, ultimately we are coming towards the writing phase, from where the thinking process are much more developed via this technique. So on and overall, if I have to speak, learning any language consists of four phases. First is listening, the second one is speaking, yes, the third one is reading, and the last one is writing. So giving a brief synopsis and just getting summarized all those things, I feel like the two most important factor in order to improve your spoken English is, first and foremost thing is listening, and the second one is speaking, and both can be combinedly been called as imitation process. So imitation is listening and speaking. Now in order to improve your listening skills, what you have to do, see, I can help you in that. I am giving you certain links of the English conversation videos on the YouTube, which links are there in the description box below, as well as the links of the audiobooks also I am providing it in the description box below. So you can start listening from that particular links and all. Now the second point is how you can improve your speaking skills. Now tip number one is make the sentences with the objects which are present at your home and then speak over it. For example, like you are having a glass of milk, so you can say, I want to drink milk. Other examples like you are sitting on a chair, so you can speak like this is my favorite chair. That's how you have to improve. Some other examples like you are having your door in your home, so certainly after seeing the door you can speak, my door color is brown. So this is how you have to speak. You have to speak, you have to start speaking, okay? And don't forget that 1,000-mile journey begins with a single step. So you have to take the action over it. And in each and every video, I will be coming up with many different tips and tricks in order to help you in improving as well as sharpening your English communication skills. I am giving right now online spoken English classes also. And if you are interested, go ahead, in the description box I am providing the application form link. You can just simply click it down and I will definitely reach to you ASAP. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to share, go ahead, share with all your friends, family members who are in need to improve their language in English. Yeah, that's it. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe it. I will definitely see you soon. Thank you very much for watching this video. Till then, enjoy English learning. Thank you very much.